this is Piano Anarchy, and today we're going to learn the names of all the notes on the keyboard in less than 3 minutes. There are a lot of notes on the piano or keyboard, but only 12 types of note. They are named using the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F and G. To find our first note, we're going to look at the black notes on our keyboard and notice that they are arranged into groups of 2s and 3s. 2s, 3s, 2, 3s. In between any group of 2, there is a white note, and this note is called D. Once we've found D, we can simply follow the alphabet either up to find E, F and G, or down to find C, B and A. If we start with A this time, we now have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When we get to G, we don't continue the alphabet, we start the process all over again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, until we eventually run out of white notes. The black notes on a keyboard are described with sharps and flats. A sharp just means go up one or one to the right, and a flat just means go down one or one to the left. So here's C. C sharp is the note to the right of C, which in this case is a black note. This is B. B flat is the note to the left of B. This does mean that all notes can have multiple names, like this one here. This could be either described as G sharp or A flat. And even white notes can have multiple names. This is C, and to find C flat, we move one to the left, and this time it's a white note. As long as you remember that you can always find D by going in between 2 black notes, you can figure out the rest of the white notes by using the alphabet from D, and sharps are just one to the right, flats are just one to the left. You shouldn't have any problems finding any note on the piano.